In edit your multimedia section, you can edit multimedia in your SCORM or e-learning project that you have uploaded. As a business case, you may have a board of director image that has gone outdated or a logo that needs a change. You can simply modify that multimedia using this feature. You may have an audio with certain words that needs to be added or deleted. You can use this feature. Or you may have a video that needs replacement. Certain changes have to be done and replaced back. You really don't have to go back to your original authoring and change it. You can simply make a change here. Another business case of this feature is that you may want to extract all your audio file for some reason, or maybe all your video files. So you really don't have to go hunt around. With a button press, you can do a bulk download. Third and most powerful feature is the filters, where you can find a lot of large, small files in your system, which can help you analyze why my project is bloating so much. Well, we'll dwell upon all of it. There's another help section down below which will elaborate further on this one.